Achieve a flat belly at home. Simple steps to success. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us are curious about: how to achieve a flat belly right from the comfort of your home. Many of us struggle with stubborn belly fat that just won't budge. In this video, we're going to unlock the secrets to a toned midsection without ever stepping foot in a gym. 3-point hops. Start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Engage your core and jump your feet forward towards your hands, landing softly. Quickly jump your feet back to the starting position, then jump them out to the right side and back to the center. Repeat, jumping your feet out to the left side this time. Exercise 2. Air cycling. Lie flat on your back with your hands placed by your sides and your legs extended straight up towards the ceiling. Engage your core. Begin to pedal your legs in a cycling motion, as if you were riding a bike in the air. Keep your movements controlled and your lower back pressed into the floor throughout the exercise. Continue pedaling for the desired number of repetitions or time duration. Exercise 3. Alternate leg raises. Lie flat on your back with your arms extended by your sides and your legs straight up towards the ceiling. Engage your core and lower one leg towards the floor, keeping it straight. Pause when your leg is a few inches above the floor, then raise it back up to the starting position. Repeat the movement with the opposite leg. Exercise 4. Bicycle V-ups. Lie flat on your back with your arms extended overhead and your legs straight out in front of you. Engage your core and lift your upper body and legs off the floor, bringing your knees towards your chest. Return to the starting position and repeat on the opposite side, twisting your torso to bring your left elbow towards your right knee. Exercise 5. Bicycle crunch. Lie flat on your back with your hands lightly behind your head and your knees bent. Engage your core and lift your shoulders off the floor. Begin to pedal your legs in a cycling motion while simultaneously twisting your torso to bring your right elbow towards your left knee. Return to the starting position and repeat on the opposite side, twisting your torso to bring your left elbow towards your right knee. Exercise 6. Burpees. Start standing with your feet hip-width apart. Squat down and place your hands on the floor in front of you. Jump your feet back into a high plank position. Perform a push-up, then jump your feet back towards your hands. Explosively jump up into the air, reaching your arms overhead. Land softly and immediately lower back into the squat position to begin the next repetition. Exercise 7. Diagonal lunges. Start standing with your feet hip-width apart. Take a large step forward and to the right with your right foot, lowering into a lunge position. Make sure your right knee is bent at a 90-degree angle and aligned with your ankle. Push off your right foot to return to the starting position, then repeat the movement on the opposite side, stepping forward and to the left with your left foot.